Hi and welcome to another video with the Artistic Bird. Today we'll be drawing Cinderella, and in part 2 of this video I will be painting her in watercolor, so let's get started. And I am just drawing with my Colorerase pencil in black. And I will have all my materials linked down in the description box below. And I'll have all my tutorials linked down in the description box below. Edit out that last part. So I'm just getting started by drawing her head here, which is a just curved line and a straight line for the leg, the chin, sorry. And I just drawn in a half oval for her dress line, and I just drawn in her arm and the side of her chest. Now I am just starting to draw the other arm, which is just a rectangular curve shape. So if you watch my other videos, I actually think in terms of shapes when I am drawing, and this helps me to visualize what I am drawing better. I am now going to get started drawing in her torso, and she is wearing a kind of a dress skirt kind of combo with an apron over the top, so I'm just drawing in the bow for the back. And now I'm just drawing in the lines for the apron, and I'm just fixing up her hair at the top with some basic lines. So right now I'm just drawing in the basic linings, and now I'm going to go in and do a bit more of the details. And I'm just going to work on the lines for the hair. Now you can see that I am just drawing in her hair and her scarf for her head, and the hair is just a curvy back line with some other curvy lines on the bottom. And so I just draw the back of the hair and her headscarf, and now I'm going to work on the fringe. Just drawing her bangs. We are just going to finish off her hair and her scarf. In my next video I will be watercoloring this picture in Winsor Newton watercolors, so you're going to want to hit the subscribe button for that video. So that's her bangs done. Now I'm just going to work on the top of her headscarf. So it's just a curvy line like this. Then it goes down, and then there's the back of the headscarf. So it's just a curvy line which moves on to here. Okay. Now I'm going to draw in the pocket. Actually, I'm going to fix up this part of the face here. It should be inward a little more. So, just going to draw the bucket, and then I'll either fix up her face or her arms. Just draw a line in here for the apron, and then bring this apron down because I need it for the bucket. Okay, there, and now gonna draw a crease lines here, and let's try and draw a bucket handle. Then go around and another handle. Go around again. Do so I'm just going to draw in the details for the bucket. So I just draw in the handle and now drawing in metal bands around the side, and then I will draw in the pieces of wood for the bucket. If you liked watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below. That way I know that you like this video and I will know to continue to make this type of content for you. I am just going to finish up doing the details for the bucket here. Do you have a favourite Disney princess? If so, please leave a comment down below and let me know. The basic lines for this drawing are now done, however I am just going to go over the finer details. So next we're going to work on fine tuning the arms, the chest, the hands, and adding in details on the dress and also the face. I'm now just working on the arm and fixing up the way I want it to look, and I am also working on her hands. And here you're just seeing me fine tuning her sleeves sit. And this eraser that I am actually using is kind of like a pen eraser. You actually push it down like a mechanical pencil in order to use it as an eraser, and it's really good for doing line work because the eraser is so small. If you are having trouble drawing hands, you are going to want to subscribe to my channel because I will be having a hand tutorial uploaded soon, and I will also be showing you how to draw other body parts as well. So do make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button down below because you're not going to want to miss my upcoming series on drawing or watercolor. I am just going to continue on working on the hands here. And I'll just try to get the shape of the hands correct. I am just continuing on fixing up the hands here, as you can see, and working on the shapes of the arms and the chest. Just making sure that I get all the proportions correct. And now I'm going to start working on the face. You can use guidelines for this if you prefer. We are just going to start off with the eyes, nose, and the mouth. So just drawing in the eyes, and then also the nose. And eyelashes. And brows. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for part 2 where I show you how to color this drawing with watercolors. Please also do hit the subscribe button for my future tutorials. I am currently working on drawing and watercolor series, so you will want to go subscribe for those. I will also be doing reviews. I have a skin color palette that I will be reviewing for watercolors very shortly. I also have a Winsor Newton professional watercolor set, which I will be building and reviewing in an upcoming video. So you're not going to want to miss out on those ones. And in order not to miss out on them, you're going to have to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you're notified of all of my future videos. Please also hit the like button down below and let me know that you liked this video, and that way I'll make more content like this one. Here's our finished drawing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!